You're about to watch the Polly Gafford channel. Enjoy.
What's he cooking now? Get merged. What's he doing now?
Demers here in the kitchen, and in this video we're going to do a frozen pizza review. And what pizza is this going to be? We're going to do this Bettergoods frozen pizza. I could only find it at Walmart. Not that I was really looking for it, but that's where I found it. And I have not seen it in any other store, to be honest. I always look at the frozen pizza sections, even if I'm not buying one. I just want to see what's new, what's out there. So this Bettergoods Italian wood fired prosciutto arugula pizza. Now it also has roasted garlic sauce and balsamic glaze. Product of Italy, but sold at Walmart. Yeah, the calories on this thing is, whole pizza is 1,090 calories, and per portion is 370 calories. And a portion is 1/3 of this pizza. It's got an expiration date of May 14th, 2025, so almost a year remaining in this shelf life. Yeah, the oven's at 400 degrees. They say cook it 14 to 16 minutes. I'm going to cook it at 15 minutes right now, and let's open this up. All right, let's get this one in the oven. This is kind of fun, actually. 15 minutes. So here's our balsamic glaze, and here is the ham, prosciutto. Kind of cool. Actually, kind of impressed. Another thing that impresses me is there are no bioengineered food ingredients in this pizza. And some of you may know this, but here's my pet basil plant. His name is Spot. Tony Eats Pizza would not like this. Yeah, it says 1/3 of a pizza is a portion. And you got 5 pieces of prosciutto. What you gonna do now, Tony? She done. My glasses are fogged up. Ooh, that's bubbled up a little bit, huh? So let's lay down the prosciutto first. Give it a slight fold. Right slices. The frozen pizza that makes you work. Yeah, I guess you could cut this into fifths. Just like that. Got a little twist. It's supposed to be able to twist. Okay. I don't know if Grandma would be able to do that, but Denver's kind of struggled there. Yeah, that's pretty. The color is not real dark, but it'll do. I'm gonna get this cut up and we're gonna try some. All right, I'm kind of excited to try this. I haven't been this excited about a frozen pizza since the Motor City Pizza Company came out with the Detroit style. It's still hot. Now, I have to tell you, the bottom was already pre-browned. I'm gonna put a slight fold on it, and we're gonna insert in the mouth. It's hot in the hand, so. I kind of made a mess there, didn't I? Let's go for another one. Yeah, it's got some nice flavors there. Getting that balsamic sauce, I'm getting a heavy garlic presence. The crust is chewy, to describe it the best. And let's get a little bit more of that prosciutto. Nice. The arugula, the greens, that's the arugula, the green stuff. Pretty good. It complements it nice. Probably would not buy it again, but I got a lot of respect for this company to bring this to the stores. I don't think a lot of Americans would appreciate what they try to give us here. And I do. So on the Pauly Detmers pepperoni scale rating, I'm going to give this a 2.5 pepperonis. Yeah, product from Italy, not bad. I appreciate what they brought to the table. Do I think it'll take off in the US? Probably not. But I appreciate what they brought. Thank you. Until next time, I'm Paul.